I was here for Bike Week 2004, my first time ever in Daytona, and I was here 24 hours when I was in a really bad motorcycle accident. And I'm from Pennsylvania. I didn't know anyone here in Florida. You know, the accident that I was in was very freak. It was really it was just a freak accident. It wasn't like a normal, oh, somebody got hit by a motorcycle. I got hit by a riderless motorcycle. And a lot of attorneys will run after that and go and be in your face, you know. But I actually sought them out, and if it weren't for Chanfrau's, I wouldn't have gotten any settlement because the owner declared bankruptcy. There was very little insurance money. So the outcome of my case was that it came about because of the investigative team that Chanfrau and Chanfrau uses. They have got an extensive team here that goes out and researches, and they were very thorough because even with no money, you know, losing a leg, and I didn't lose the leg initially, but it was, the doctor said to me, we fixed your arm, now we're going to take your leg, and I said, no, you're not taking my leg. And so when I realized that had to happen, that was, I was pretty much in shock. But anyhow, then finding out there was no money no money's ever going to bring your leg back or your body part back. And so it wasn't about that, but it was, you know, I was going to have expenses. For them to go out and find a witness who had anything to do with the whole case, you know, the whole situation, that he was there, and they got him to come forward. And just because of all their investigating, they were able to get me money. And so now I have my own Harley trike, and I was able to put handicap accommodations on my home. Without that, it would have been very bad. Roxy and Bill Jr. and Bill Sr. and the whole team have just made me feel like part of the family. And Roxy and I are friends today, and I visit and I consider them friends. And they just worked, even when there was no guarantee of getting any settlement, any money. They worked hard. They still kept me informed. They just treated me like they would treat their own family if something like this happened to them.